Hello and welcome, this is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from two separate videos where the first one introduces a trading setup that I'm discussing, and then you see what happened subsequently 2 days later in a video that I've recorded just now for my subscribers. This is an example how I can help you to spot good trading setups during the week, and I'm able to spot such trading setups because I'm following a lot of markets, and I'm often very alert to perceiving early signs of weakness or strength in related markets that can serve as an advanced signal. This is what you're going to see is a classic example of that. If you want further information about my website, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have good trading. Here's a chart that I decided to include because I think it's telling us a big correction actually has started. Look carefully. This is the Nasdaq Composite 60 minutes. And that's the triangle, and we had a doubt in other charts where the triangle ended. In the case of the Nasdaq Composite, it says clearly it ended here, and it gives us the first shot, as I'm showing you here, as a 1-2. If I'm right in reading this, then I think we had the fifth done. And this is already the beginning of the correction. Just look at the MACD in terms of the momentum here. Look what it's doing. Look where this line here is, and look where this is. And look, if I take you to the 240 minutes, it's even more pronounced. I mean, the breakdown in the momentum. This is really looking like a market that is ready to roll over. Look carefully. Do you see the line? Do you see the line? We have line of momentum that is corresponding to this. And it's already coming very close to actually sail through this line. You can see the break, but this is more interesting as far as I'm concerned. You can see the last jump, the rally, the push that gave the last jump here is completely gone. This push is completely gone. I think this market, the way I see it here, together with a wave count, this market seems to me ready to go back and test at least 30-50. Now this is a big deal. If I'm right on this is a really big deal. Maybe you should actually follow this market closely, because that could give you a clue or maybe an advanced signal to what might happen in the S&P 500. If you trade it in any leverage product, that could mean, you know, a visit back to 1,400, and that's a very big deal, huh? We are now at well, it's roughly 1456 around here. That's my point with this chart for the Nasdaq. That's the Nasdaq Composite 240 minutes. This is the chart that I showed you in the last video, and I could not have been more right. I was absolutely perfect on target. I analyzed for you the MACD here, and I showed you how the momentum here is already piercing the backbone. Yeah, the support line here, that was the backbone of the entire rally, of the entire momentum here. It pierced it, and what was even more dramatic is the way the very recent jump that began from here was already, I mean, the momentum was crumbling. It was just completely looking down. And I told you that the analysis that I've just presented to you suggests strongly that the downtrend has already begun, and it was just hanging around here, not doing much, but you can see how it closed the day right after my analysis, and we got even continuation yesterday. So I think that this is not over. We are going to go down to at least 30-50, and then we will see how the market behaves. I think that if we are in a situation that calls for further upside, I think it shouldn't break 30-50 in a substantial manner. I think that we're probably going to see that. Some sort of base building and then gradually going up and spending more time drawing that triangle that will prepare the ground for going higher. I think that breaking down towards 29.70 is bad news. That's going to suggest, in my opinion, we're going way lower. I do not expect that. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you're paying through money bookers, that should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.